Today, a memorable day in the annals of the Department of Law. That's the long-standing demand on behalf of personally and of the Department of Law to this August occasion and also respected Vidya in our university, and also I invite respected Professor R. J. Garu, principal of this university college, Garu, with head Department of Law, and also I respect the Dr. Prasanna Garu, former head of the Department of Law, and to all of the other faculty members, scholars, and students, and all media persons to this very momentous occasion that we have long-standing demand. The demand is there since the construction of the building in 2015. Since then, many vice chancellors have come and gone, but nobody has taken seriously as our sir has taken. As you know, that Moot Courts are a curriculum activity to all the law students. They have to participate, they have to write exam, they have to qualify, and they have to pass the exam. Then only when they go to the society in the legal courts, they can show their talent. And also, Moot Courts here.
Heartfeltly thankful to the Vice Chancellor sir for his initiation to build the construction, build up the Moot Court Hall within no time. Thank you very much sir for your support. We expect the future support also for the development of the department. So thank you very much sir. It's the history of law department sir. It's a long pending demand sir. Thank you very much sir for your support. Thankful to you sir from bottom of my heart sir. Thank you very much to the registrar ma'am for her continuous support and guiding us for anything. Within no time she responds for everything. Thank you very much ma'am for your encouragement and guiding us for doing academic work as well as the departmental work. Thank you very much ma'am. And I would like to thank principal ma'am. I would like to thank our Dean, Professor Vinod Kumar sir for his continuous efforts for the upliftment of the department. Thank you very much sir for enlightening us with your vision. Thank you very much sir. I would like to thank Professor Arati ma'am, Principal ma'am for her continuous encouragement for doing academic works, as well as she guides very much for us to do with her experience. Thank you very much ma'am for your enlightenment. I would like to thank Elosa sir, founder principal of this law college, for his establishment of the law college and efforts behind the running of the law department. And I would like to thank Prasanna ma'am for her continuous support for the development of the department. I would like to thank all the students who are over here, and to the past students also. They are supported very much. The same support are expecting in future also. Thank you one and all.
I am extremely sorry that I forgotten our dean name because his efforts also directly and indirectly he influenced our Vice Chancellor for this wonderful Moot Court. Professor Vinod Kumar sir, he is a special activist and he stands for human rights. He is also a constitutional expert in our state, also not only in our state but also entire India. He is recognized as one of social activist. He takes all the issues in Usman University wherever he is, and he fights for that issues. And in which part he taken this issue as a Moot Court issue and also law college issues. He is taking his own contribution for the all-round development of our department and the college. And on this occasion, I call upon our Dean sir to speak for 2 minutes. Sir.
Respected Honorable Vice Chancellor and our beloved Registrar, my colleagues, friends. As per the Supreme Court CJ guidelines, I want to speak in Telugu because Telugu is the mother tongue. అమ్మ భాషలోనే ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ జరగాలని చెప్పేసి ఈ మధ్యకాలంలో సుప్రీంకోర్టు ఒక డిసిషన్ తీసుకుంది. సో మీరు అమ్మ భాషలో అద్భుతంగా మాట్లాడగలిగిన తర్వాత ఇంగ్లీష్లో కూడా మాట్లాడగలిగారు. ఎందుకంటే అమ్మ భాషకే పరిమితమైతే ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్కి తెలంగాణకి పరిమితమైంది. సో నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కాంపిటీట్ విత్ ది గ్లోబ్ బికాస్ Obama is one of the student bar president who argued the first in the Moot Court and becoming president of America. You take any leader, any leading personality in the world, in the globe, they are all from law background. They are all from, including our leaders, Nehru, Ambedkar. The father of Indian Constitution also came from the law background. So that is the greatness of law background. Recently I visited Oxford and I released the book in Oxford. You believe or not, Oxford Moot Court Hall, law school thing, very old building, very old. ఎంత old తెలుసా? 700 years old building, Moot Court Hall. But the beauty, if you enter in that, you can't find out that very excellent Moot Court Hall in the globe, very excellent. అంటే బయటికి చూస్తేనేమో పాత బిల్డింగ్, లోపల మాత్రం వెరీ ఇన్నోవేటివ్ Moot Court Hall, ఏ మోడల్ Moot Court Hall. సో ఈ విషయంలో కూడా నేను ఎంబడబడి ఈ ఎవరైతే కార్పెంటర్ ఉన్నారో ఆ కార్పెంటర్ ఉస్మానియా యూనివర్సిటీలో చేశాడు. ఉస్మానియా యూనివర్సిటీలో ఎవరైతే చేశాడో అదే కార్పెంటర్ని ఇక్కడికి పిలిపించి ఇక్కడికి డిజైన్ ఉస్మానియా యూనివర్సిటీ లాగా చేయాలి. ఉస్మానియా యూనివర్సిటీ ఎక్కడైతే ఉందో కూడా అంతకంటే అద్భుతంగా తెలంగాణ యూనివర్సిటీలో ఉండాలని చెప్పారు. సో తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రానికి ప్రతినిధి ఈ తెలంగాణ యూనివర్సిటీ, తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం, తెలంగాణ అనే పదవిలో ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను చెప్తూ ఉంటున్నాను. దీన్ని ఈ తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం దేశానికి మాట్లాడినప్పుడు మరి తెలంగాణ యూనివర్సిటీలో లాగానే దేశానికి మోడల్ కావాలా ఉందా? కావాలంటే కాలేజీ కావాలా ఉందా? ఈ Moot Court ఉండాలా ఉందా? కాబట్టి ఖచ్చితంగా Moot Court ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ మీరు ట్రైనర్ కావాలి. మీరు ప్రపంచ దేశాలు తిరగాలి. నేను చెప్తున్నాను, I have visited 12 countries, that two major countries, in Colombia, America, in London School of Economics, in Oxford, Harvard, all very top-notch universities I visited and I have given my lecture. They are invited because of Baba Saheb Ambedkar. I have taken the spirit from Baba Saheb Ambedkar. His father is the topmost intellectual in the world. ఆయన గురించి ప్రపంచంలో ఏ విశ్వవిద్యాలయంలో చర్చ అనే విశ్వవిద్యాలయం లేదు. అంటే ఎంత గొప్ప ఆ రకంగా మీరు టేక్ ద స్పిరిట్ ఫ్రమ్ బాబా సాహెబ్ అంబేద్కర్ అండ్ కాంటాక్ట్ విత్ ద గ్లోబ్. I joined beloved my friend Elosa garu and HOD madam, Savati garu, Prasanna madam. More particularly మనం చాలా బిగ్ క్లాస్ చేయాల్సిన ఏంటంటే మన హానరబుల్ వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్ ఎందుకంటే ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ నేను చెప్పిన వెంటనే సాగి రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసిన వెంటనే ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ శాంక్షన్ చేసేసి ఇవాళ ఈ పరిస్థితి మనకు కల్పించిన మన విసి గారికి అలాగే మన సిస్టర్ వెరీ డైనామిక్ సిస్టర్, వెరీ డైనామిక్, వెరీ లవ్లీ రిజిస్ట్రార్. ప్రతి ఏ విషయం చెప్పినా సరే కాదని ఎప్పుడని చెప్పారు, కాదని ఎప్పుడని మన తెలంగాణ విశ్వవిద్యాలయాన్ని ఈ భారతదేశానికి ఒక మోడల్ రాయాలి. వీళ్ళ సహకారంతో నా కోరిక. అందులో భాగంగా నేను జూన్ లో విఆర్ఎస్ తీసుకునే ఆలోచన ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ లోపు మీకు సెలబ్రేట్ చేసేసి మీకు కల్పించాల్సిన కల్పించి నేను సెలవు తీసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాను. అందుకే ఈ యొక్క సార్లు ఎవరి సార్లు యాక్చువల్గా కోర్టు అడిగారు, లేదు ఫస్ట్ అయితే నాకు అని చెప్తే మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ పెట్టాను. సో ఇవాళ సార్ ఇంత సమయం ఇచ్చినందుకు ముఖ్యంగా ఫస్ట్ సార్ ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాను. రిజిస్టర్ గైడెన్స్ అలాగే మా పోలీసు అందరికీ ముఖ్యంగా ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారికి మా యొక్క ధన్యవాదాలు. బికాస్ మా నాగాలయ కూడా ప్రిన్సిపల్ కావాలని చెప్పేసి మేము కోరుకుంటున్నాం. మన నాగాలయ ప్రిన్సిపల్ కావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాం. దయచేసి ఈ సంవత్సరం వల్ల ప్రార్థన చేస్తారు, మాట్లాడతారు. మాకు దయచేసి ఇస్తే సార్ కాలేజ్ బాగా ఇంకా ప్రాస్పరస్ కావడానికి అట్లా 5 years కోర్స్ కూడా మాకు మీరు ఇస్తే ఇంకా ఈ కాలేజీ ఇక్కడ 3 కూడా వచ్చింది కాబట్టి 5 years పిల్లలు రావాలి. కాబట్టి 5 years కోర్సు నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. అలాగే ప్రిన్సిపాల్ ఇప్పుడైతే ఈ రోజు అపాయింట్ చేయాలి. ఈ
ధన్యవాదాలు సార్. మీరు అమ్మ భాష గురించి చాలా చక్కగా వివరించారు. ఎక్కడైతే మనం పుట్టినప్పటి నుంచి కూడా మరణించేదాకా అమ్మ భాష అనేది మనతో ఉంటూ ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని మనం ప్రోత్సహించాలి, ఆదరించాలి, దాంట్లో సందేహం లేదు. కానీ మా నాలో ఇట్లా ఉందంటే సిలబస్ అంతా కూడా అమ్మ భాషలో ఉండదు మీకు తెలుసు. కానీ నార్త్ ఇండియా కంటే నార్త్ ఇండియా అక్కడ హిందీలోనే అంటా ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ రీజన్ మనం దీని గురించి కూడా మనము టేక్ ది ఇష్యూ ది అథారిటీస్, కన్సర్న్ అథారిటీస్, సో దట్ అమ్మ భాషలో న్యాయం జరిగితే అది నిజమైన న్యాయంగా మనము భావించవలసింది. ఇప్పుడు మన ప్రొఫెసర్ ఆర్పికల్ గారు, ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారు, షీఈ్ సో యాక్టివ్ అండ్ ఆల్సో డైనమిక్. వారు సర్వీస్ అందిస్తారు.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Ravijakan, esteemed Registrar Madam, Professor Ravijakan, Dean Faculty of Law, Professor Vinod Kumar Sir, Head Department of Law, Dr. Ravi Madam, Chairman Board of Studies, Dr. Joseph Sir, Faculty Member, Assistant Professor Dr. Prasanna, academic visitors, dear students, faculty of the Gayas, dear students, and all the students. President of Kenya, very good morning to you all. Good afternoon to you all. As what I like to congratulate you for achieving your awaiting dream, which has come true today. And I'm so blessed that I've been part of this your happy moment. And I could see the happiness in your face and your attire also. Thank you so much. And our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, he's ready to give any kind of infrastructure to us. And with his vision, we were able to get this Moot Court. Not only getting it, my view, not only getting the infrastructure is a success. The success will come only when you make use of it. So, half of the success you have achieved by getting this Moot Court, and next glorious success you have to get by making use of this Moot Court to the fullest. I hope that dream will come true. That I would like to witness that too. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for your kind words and also inspire the students to maximum utilize this Moot Court. మనం స్ట్రక్చర్ పెట్టుకున్నాము, అది కాదు వేయకుండా దీంట్లో శ్రమ పడితే బయట శ్రమ తగ్గుతుంది, మన రికగ్నిషన్ వస్తుంది అని మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు. అదే రకంగా ఇప్పుడు నా కాలపాంతి అందరితో ప్రసన్నాన్ని మేడంకు స్పీచ్ పట్టుకుంటుంది.
Hearty welcome to all these students and Vidayas. Really, we are very much grateful, expressing our gratitude to our Vice Chancellor and Registrar Madam for materializing this Moot Court design. It is a long pending design, but it has been materialized because of the initiation of our Honorable Vice Chancellor Garu. Asatoma Satgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. That means from darkness to light, from darkness to light, and from ignorance to truth. That should be the motto of this Moot Court.
ప్రాక్టీస్ కి వెళ్ళాలి అనేది మన we are going to distribute certificates with the aid and advice of our registrar and vice chancellor. The certificate distribution will be held at the seminar hall. And thank you, sir. Thank you very much for materializing this program.
Thank you, madam, for inspiring your speech and asking the students to work hard and to go up to Supreme Court. Not only Supreme Court, the international authorities also there, World Court also there, international criminal courts also there, international tribunals and number of tribunals are there. We hope that our students will study very hard and reach to the zenith of the profession. Now, I call upon our dynamic registrar madam. She is so active and she has 15 years. She has same dynamism. There is no change in her dynamism is concerned in the department or outside or even the as a registrar also. She always very positive to every aspect which is represented to the madam. Now, Professor Vidyavardhani garu, deliver.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Ravindra Gupta sir, Chief Professor Viral Kumar, Professor D.S. Aarti, Dr. Shravanti, Dr. Yellowstar, Dr. Krishna Rani, and all the faculty members, as well as my dear students. First and foremost, I would tell you first one thing, congratulations. Because you are the efforts of our Honorable Vice Chancellor with the support of and all the department and faculty members, you have a moot court, right? So you have started your studies of law, that is LLB, from the year 2006, and 2023 you have a moot court. So whatever struggles you had undergone all these years is gone. So now you are going to sit in your own department and you are going to do all your practices. So what we hope is, whatever practice you are doing in this moot court will always be helpful to you, it will be a blessing to you, as well as it should bring name to Telangana University. As you are students of Telangana University, so please come regularly, attend the classes regularly, do all your practicals in the moot court regularly, and please be punctual and please read the classes when we come around. This is all we want and this is all we want. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you, madam, for encouraging the students to attend awareness moot court. Madam, our students are I think so in the university. Whatever public sector jobs are there, government jobs are there. There is top status of the in our the other department. That is the one aspect I would like to repeat before you. Whenever any service exams may come, definitely the 5 to 6 persons are students of entering the job, permanent jobs. That is a credit to the last students. Now, another function also there in this moot court examination, that is a list of 2 books, very important books, which pertains to the law practice. Those are authored by our Dean sir, Professor Moot Court sir, and also the scholars of the university, the last scholar Satish Chandra. Both are honorable books, and our honorable Vice Chancellor sir will release the books.
Respected and beloved Registrar, Professor Vidyavardhani, and our Dean Secretary of Law, and our Principal, Aarti Madam, and other law faculty colleagues, Prasanna Rani, Shravanti, and Yellow sir. And my dear students, today is very auspicious day because it's a long pending issue Immediately I solved that one and called excellent. Is it look like international level only? Whatever is there, as a Stanford University scientist myself, and also recognized as a 3 times world top ranking scientist by Stanford University. And also simultaneously got my research papers are highly cited, and H index, I index, lot of indexes are there. And when I came here, and our Telangana University named as Telangana University worldwide. It is recognized very much outstanding also. So whatever support is there, then definitely I will support for faculty, support for students, and also teaching and non-teaching also. And today, the person contribute, what's his name, sir? Shyam. Shyam, very Shyam. Come. Is a person, according to idea of our Gali Vinod Kumar, he made a significant Moot Court. So, honor him particular today. Come. ఇంతవరకు ఆయన బిల్లే అడగలేదు. పని అయిన తర్వాత తీసుకుంటాను. సమ్ పీపుల్ ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లుంటే ముందు బిల్లి పనికి పంచనామాలు పెడతారు. ఈజ్ ఎ వెరీ ఎక్సలెంట్ పర్సన్, వెరీ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ కంట్రిబ్యూషన్. Another 2 persons in this occasion, they made a significant contribution. One is Vinod Garu, Assistant Executive Engineer. So, everyone successful. Students కానీ faculty కానీ నాన్ టీచింగ్ కానీ వినోద్ సార్ చెప్పండి, నాకు చెప్పకుండా ఏం లేదు. Once you are getting honor awards means feel more work. And another person behind this story is a finance officer. మేము ఎన్ని పనులు చేసినా ఆయన సంతకం లేని ఏమి కాదు. సో ఇన్ దిస్ అకేషన్ ఫెలిసిటేట్ ఎఫ్ఓ చెక్కులు రెడీగా లేండి, ఎప్పుడు ఇబ్బంది పెట్టండి. Total, thank you. And total on for faculty of law and faculty of law students. The behind the story is Dr. Gali Vinod Kumar. is that inauguration of books written by Professor Gal Vinod Kumar, and also he promised to serve our Telangana University after June onwards, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are giving Professor of Properties and suggested by So welcome to Telangana University, sir. The inquiry services.
Students, actually, Telangana University లో ఎందుకు ఉస్మానియా యూనివర్సిటీ ప్రొఫెసర్ అయిన కూడా హ్యాండ్ బుక్ ఆన్ రీడింగ్స్ అండ్ కన్వెన్సింగ్ వాల్యూమ్ నెంబర్ 1 అండ్ వాల్యూమ్ నెంబర్ 2 మీకు ఇన్ ప్రాక్టీస్ లో ఏ ఫైల్ అంటే ఏ ప్రొసీజర్ అయినా సరే ఇందులో ఈ రెండు బుక్లలో దొరకనట్టు లేదు. ఇంకా అన్ని కోర్సులు లోయర్ కోర్టు హై కోర్ట్ సుప్రీం కోర్టు దాకా పోయి ప్రొసీజర్ అంతా కూడా రెండు బుక్లలో. దిస్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ మీ ప్రీడింగ్స్ కానీ మీ కన్వెన్సింగ్ కానీ ఏ ప్రభావాలు ఉంటాయి, ఏ రకంగా మీరు ప్రీడింగ్ చేయాలి కోర్టులో, ఏ రకంగా కన్విన్స్ చేయాలి కోర్టులో, what are all the performance are there in these two books. Nowhere you can find out these two books information anywhere in AP except in this book. This credit goes to my co-author G. Satish Chandra. Satish Chandra will explain more about that, and the other important book is Juvenile Justice System also. This is in this book also very important book for the practitioners and the students. It is latest, very latest act. So ఈ లేటెస్ట్ యాక్ట్ మీద కూడా తేవాలి అనుకున్నాం, తెచ్చాం. ఇంకా 12 పుస్తకాలు వస్తున్నాయి. ఇంకా we are going to publish 12 more books for the law students and the practitioners. This is the contribution of the most credit goes to Satish Chandra, his scholar. He is the scholar in working under him. He is doing hard work, lot of work. Please, 5 minutes to Satish Chandra garu books guరించి explain చేయండి please. Big clap for Satish Chandra. Good hard work.
Respected Indian Honorable Honorable VP Sir and Registrar Ma'am, Sir, Secretary Ma'am, US Sir, and my dear friends, Dr. Monet Hall, and it is a great opportunity for me to speak a few words before this great order. Let me give a small brief introduction. Basically, I hope I will give your time. Yes. Basically, every law student will have the difficulty, though we have the general classes in our college tenure, but when we go to the practical side in the court of law, every law student will incur a huge difficulty in understanding the court procedures and getting accustomed to the procedure that is adopted in the daily practice, and what are the procedures that are to be followed, what are the formats that are to be used, and how these things are to be made. This is a big
trouble and cumbersome issue where every student will have to face. And there is a common saying that we will be learning only 25% of our subject in our law colleges, and more 70% we have to learn in the practical oriented part. And sorry to say that every or most of the law students will get the problem of suffering from the seniors. They could not get the proper guidance, though they are getting the internship or practicing with the seniors. They could not get the actual knowledge what they are bound to get from their seniors in the practice part. Keeping this point in my view, I have taken this initiative of authoring the book. And in this part, as most of the students will have the information that CBC means a ocean in general parlance, and getting through the CBC is very difficult task. And in that CBC again, you will have the pleadings, and apart from that, you have a conveyancing part where you have different types of petitions. Even in some instances and sometimes, even the stationery also will not provide court hall stationery, where you have the formats of various proformas. There also you find a difficulty in getting the proforma in the right manner to file the petitions. So, taking these points into consideration, I have made this effort of compiling the pleadings and conveyancing part, where you will get each and every format which are being used in the practice part in the photocopy manner, and as well as the flow chart of the case, right from drafting of the petition till the execution petition. After getting the decree also, some of the students may have the information, some may are still aware of this part. Even after getting the judgment, still you have to go for the next process, that is called as execution petition. Even at this execution petition also, most of the advocates will incur the difficulties in getting through the process to be done. Those points are properly and in a simple manner explained in these 2 volumes. And in the rural practices, mostly you will have about the conveyancing part, about the rental agreements or sale transactions or contracts or anything. All these things are properly and vividly and in layman language. Let me give you a proper this thing. In a layman language, the book is being compiled, and even a non-law student, a normal graduate who is having the minimum knowledge of the English literature can easily understand the book. Firstly in the CBC part. Now coming to the next part is the CRPC. The second book is about the lectures on CRPC. And in this lecture on CRPC, I want to have a small glance over this part. Basically, those who are completed the final year, they can have the information. When we have the trial procedure in the criminal practice system, we have 2 sections. One is outside the court purview, that we call it as the filing of the petition before the sections officer or the police station, that is FIR, and investigation, which is totally out of the court purview. The next part is the trial process in the court process, and these things are in a cumbersome manner because I want to have a small information to the non-law students out here. The simple part is FIR is mentioned in section 154, that you have to understand first. Then again you will go for the arrest. Before FIR you cannot go for an arrest, but arrest is mentioned in section 41. So which has to be learned first and which has to be understood properly. Either we should go for 154 first, or first go for serial number 1, then go for 41, then go for 154. That is a big confusion to each and every student when going through the CRPC. And in the syllabus part also we have a very much confusion part. To make the overcoming of these issues, this book is compiled in a simple manner, classifying the topics into 3 categories. One is introduction, where it explains about the nomenclature that is used in the criminal practices. The second is pre-trial procedure, right from the FIR 151 section till the charge sheet is filed before the court of law for the trial process. That all comes under the pre-trial process. Next part is the trial process, how the trial process is considered in the court of law, and after that is a judgment part. And this, in this manner, in a simple manner, the book is compiled with. And one of the important thing what we have to be as a law students to be considered is about the landmark judgments. Most of us don't have the proper, I think I don't have the proper information about why the judgment is called as landmark judgment. Because it provides the guidelines to the next courses of cases. How the cases are to be dealt with.
Okay.
Like we have the example of the Arnesh Kumar case, or D.K. Basu case, or Jogendra Singh case, or a small thing, Pratik case where most of the students are not aware of in the search and seizure process. Yes, ma'am. So all these things are properly envisaged and compiled in this book. A simple, so small and short book will help every law student to get through this book and getting the knowledge for your practice in a simple and easy manner. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now, Honorable Vice Chancellor sir and Registrar Madam and also our Dean sir distribute the certificates. The workshop was conducted by under the directorship of the Secretary Prasanna Rani Madam Garu about some couple of months back, and with the collaboration with the Telangana Council of Higher Education, and now the certificate distribution will be followed. Then I hand over the mic to the Prasanna Rani Madam. Yes.
Before distribution list, I would like to give my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir for materializing this certificate very beautiful and very, attractive. First, I want to give one concept note about the workshop. Why? Because at that time I got no opportunity to address our Vice Chancellor. So law is one of the great healing profession. When medicine heals the body, the clergy heals the soul. The law heals the society lives. With that intention in mind, I titled the workshop as Law Capsules to Address the Pandemic Effects on Legal Education and Legal Profession. In that 16 resource persons were participators, sir. And out of 16 resource persons, 3 are Vice Chancellors and 2 are High Court judges and 2 are practicing advocates. And at present, Supreme Court advocate is Advocate General. He also participated, sir. The main aim of that workshop is to inculcate the advocacy skills in our digitally to Supreme Court. At the beginning itself I told. And again, in this auspicious occasion, I would like to make one statement. At present, we are all sitting like a constitutional bench. That credit goes to our Dean and Vice Chancellor. I want to thank our Registrar Ma'am because of her encouragement only. Again, I approached the Vice Chancellor sir to materialize these certificates. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Now, the time to distribute the certificates. I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor to hand over the certificates to the faculty and students, sir. First, Sravanti Madam, Head of the Department.
Hello, sir. Principal, hello, sir.
Next